One of the basic draw commands used in AutoCAD is the line command. The line command is used to create straight line segments. To activate the command, you can either click the icon found in the draw panel or just type in letter L on your keyboard and then press enter. After activating, AutoCAD will ask you to specify the first point. To specify the first point, you can either use the exact coordinates if you have that, or you can just make a left click on your mouse anywhere here on the drawing area. After making a left click or after entering the coordinates, AutoCAD will now ask you to specify the next point. And as you move your cursor or your mouse, you will notice that a rubber band line is formed. In specifying the next point, again, you can enter the exact coordinates or make a left click anywhere here in your drawing area, or if you have a specific length of your line, you can directly enter that distance. Once you're done with the command, you can just press enter the escape or the enter button on your keyboard.